Most people get this wrong when redeeming Fetch Rewards points. They spend weeks earning points, only to get confused when it's time to claim their gift card. Here's the truth no one tells you. Redeeming a Fetch Rewards gift card is usually quick and simple, but there are a few important steps that can save you time and prevent mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem a Fetch Rewards gift card in 2026, what to check before redeeming, and how to make sure you get the most value from your points. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need is enough points in your Fetch Rewards account. Open the app and check your current points balance. If you don't have enough points for the gift card you want, you'll need to continue earning points before you can redeem. Once you've confirmed your balance, go to the Rewards or Redeem section of the app. This is where you'll find the available gift card options. You'll typically see a variety of brands and redemption amounts. Browse through the available choices and select the gift card that best matches your needs. For example, Alex has accumulated enough points and wants a gift card for a retailer he shops with regularly. Instead of choosing randomly, he selects a gift card he'll actually use, maximizing the value of his rewards. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many people rush through the redemption process without checking the point requirement carefully. But here's the problem. Different gift cards may require different numbers of points. Before confirming your redemption, review the details so you know exactly how many points will be deducted. This is where most people fail. They redeem for the first option they see instead of comparing available rewards. In a minute, I'll show you a simple habit that can help you make smarter redemption choices. After selecting your gift card, review the redemption details and confirm the transaction. Once approved, the points are deducted from your account balance. Depending on the reward and current processing times, your gift card information may arrive shortly afterward through the app, email, or another delivery method specified by Fetch Rewards. Now here's where it gets even more important. Always double-check the email address and account information associated with your Fetch Rewards account. If there is an issue with your account details, it could make accessing your reward more difficult. For example, John redeemed a gift card successfully, but forgot to verify his account information beforehand. Taking a few seconds to review those details can help avoid unnecessary headaches later. The easiest habit is to redeem rewards for brands and stores you already use regularly. That way, your points provide real value rather than sitting unused. Let's quickly recap. Check your points balance, open the Rewards section, compare available gift cards, review the point requirements, confirm your redemption, and verify your account information before completing the process. That's exactly how to redeem a Fetch Rewards gift card in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more rewards app tutorials and money-saving tips, and let us know in the comments which gift card you redeemed with your Fetch Rewards points.